Cost drivers for fall moves with Best Miami Movers. Which factors most influence the cost of moving in Miami during autumn? Several moving cost factors in Miami can raise or lower the total bill, and knowing them ahead of time helps you prepare with fewer surprises. Seasonal demand and timing. Even though fall is calmer than summer, demand still varies by day. Being flexible with your date is one way to lower the cost of moving in autumn. Packing services and specialty items. If you ask us to provide full packing service, the cost goes up, but so does the convenience and protection for your belongings. By knowing what affects move price, you can plan your fall relocation more effectively. At Best Miami Movers, we believe that understanding these cost drivers helps you budget with confidence and focus and settling into your new home or office without stress. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.